Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how we can generate a QR code in a aesthetic and cute ways with the Canva application. First, you just need to open your Canva application on your mobile phone, and you just need to create the new documents. You just need to go click this plus button. Okay, I will show you from the beginning. Wait until the application is perfectly loaded and just tap into this plus button. Now I would like to use this Instagram post for square. And the next, you just need to wait until your canvas is ready. And whenever it's ready, you will be right away generated into the design here, but then that's not the place you will work with. Slide into the left side until you found this app. And then you just need to tap on it. The next, you just need to type here, hello Q art, and then just tap it. Now the application that we will use is this hello Q art, and the next thing you need to do is just wait until this option is pop up and swipe up, and then you just need to paste the link that you want to generate the QR from. And then you can also add the description, what do you want to get here, like you say he's Indonesian traditional food, and then just go tap done and just go click generate. Wait until the process of generating is finished, and later on you will get the result. Make sure you also have internet connections that have a good and fast. It's almost there. We need to wait until the process is just finished. And here we go, we already got this QR code on our canvas. You can do further rest and try everything just based on what you need. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.